Are you looking for an affordable house and lot that is easily accessible through the South Luzon Expressway? It is located in a corner lot. Well, today we're here in West Wing Residences. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media where we have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. Let's begin with the external tour by admiring the facade of this property. This is a modern contemporary design inside West Wing Residences. As you can see, yung orientation ng property natin, it's facing northeast. Yung araw natin nakagilid siya right now. And itong makikita nyo, yung property is some sort of rectangular in shape, so pahaba po siya. And what's nice about that is you have a lot of garden space on the side. So tara, pasukin na natin siya. Starting here with the pedestrian gate. So yung kitang-kita nyo naman po that the property is already gated and fenced. And as you enter, you will be greeted on the left side with your carport which can easily fit your SUV or yung mga pickup trucks natin. Now, on the other side is your very spacious space for your landscape garden. Right now, it's ang ginamit po natin is turf grass, so it's really nicely made. Now, if you want to keep it, pwede naman. If you want to adjust it, nasa sa inyo na po yun. So, as you can see, you have this huge space to walk around, to sit down, to enjoy with your pets. You enjoy with your family. You can even place a small gazebo on this side. So, sobrang ganda po niya. Now, tara, tapos na tayo sa external tour of the property. Let's go inside and explore the ground floor. Tara, pasok po kayo. So, as we enter, we'll be greeted by our solid wood door. And then, now what's nice about pagpasok natin is yung spaciousness niya. Yung ground floor po natin is open layout, and yung pagka-open layout niya, napakaliwalas, very welcoming, very bright. So if you are the type of person who likes a house that has a lot of light coming inside the property, sobrang ma-appreciate niyo po to. I really like this one. Now, tara, let's explore the house. So as we enter, this is your space for your living, or depende sa inyo where you want to put your living. You have a lot of options. You can put it on this side, or this side. Now, as you can see, sobrang laki na space nyo. Pwede na kayo mamili kung saan nyo ilalagay yung living or dining area nyo. So, but if you plan to put to decide, siguro, I would put my dining area around this space and I would put my living area on this area. Now, right across would be your kitchen. So the kitchen has your granite countertop. It's U in shape. You also have your dual sink. You have your faucet. Meron na tayong hose. And then you also have your cooktop. You also have your cabinets up here. You have your backsplash. You have your chandelier. And kitang-kita nyo naman yung lighting natin. You have your LED lights. You have your cove lighting. For our flooring, we have a tiles that is similar to wood finish, but it's just color gray. Parang wood green po yung itsura niya, pero it's just tiles. Pero ang ganda po niyang tignan. Now, here on the ground floor also, we have one toilet and bath, which is fully equipped with your sink. You have your mirror, you have your toilet, you have your shower, you also have your glass enclosure, and then meron na rin po siyang exhaust. Now, another trivia for this house is this is fully meron na po siyang heater for all. So it's centralized. Now, this is your maid's room. It's just a good size maid's room. Tamang-tama lang po siya. You can put a double deck kapag dalawa po yung maids natin. If isa lang, pwede pong isang single bed. Dito rin po nakalocate yung ating breaker. And then meron tayong bintana dito so that our maids would see us whenever we are going inside or paparating na po tayo. Now, on the other side, or yung parallel to this, would be your service area. Doon rin po located ang ating centralized heater. So tara, tignan natin. Sunod kayo. So this is your service area, which is your laundry. Dito tayo dito rin po yung ating centralized heater. As you can see, it's already here. Heated na po yung buong bahay natin. So you don't have to worry. Meron na tayong hot and cold na water all over. And then dito na rin po ating labahan. Now we're done here on the ground floor. Let's go to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. As you can see, we're here on our landing area, and you have this small family area where you can put a TV, you can put your small library, you can put a sofa, or you can put your altar, depends on what you want. Pero napakaliwalas po niya. Let's just admire these corner windows. You also admire this big window, and you also have this chandelier. Sobrang aliwalas ng bahay na to. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam pagpasok nyo. Ang ganda ng vibes, ang ganda ng energy. Now, as we go up here on the second floor, on the right side will be the first toilet, the second toilet and bath of the house. So this is same as the one downstairs, pero different layout. You have your cabinets, you also have your sink, you have your glass enclosures, you have your shower, you have your exhaust, and you have your toilet and your bidet. Now right beside it would be the first bedroom of the house. It's just a good size. This is actually perfect for those starting families or those who wants to move out of a condo and wants to live in a house here in the Santa Rosa area, which is near Nuvali. You have your cabinets here, you have your ceiling fan. Flooring pala natin dito, kung kanina sa baba, it's tiles. This is the second floor. Ang ginamit po natin is SPC wood. Now, we also have our air conditioning on all of the bedrooms. Now, it's really nice. It's ready. You just need to bring your things. Pwede na tayong lumipat. Now, on to the second bedroom of the house. Similar in size. Again, you also have your ceiling fan, you also have your air conditioning, you also have your cabinetry, and you have one window here. Kasya po ang ating single bed or semi-double bed. Now, on to the last bedroom of the house, which is the master's bedroom. The master's bedroom has its own toilet and bath and has its own air conditioning unit. So, pagpasok po natin, ang maganda rin po dito sa master's bedroom is you have a balcony wherein you can sit down, put two small table and two small chairs and one table so that you can just lounge around in the morning or in the afternoon. And you also have a bigger ceiling fan, you have your LED lights, you have your cove lighting, you also have a split type air conditioning here, a bigger cabinet, and meron din po tayong sariling toilet and bath. Now, for the master's bedroom, this is slightly bigger as compared to the first two toilets that you saw. This is actually yung design po ng ating sink and also ng ating cabinet sa sink would be a different shade. It's slightly off-grain, and then you have a sliding glass enclosure. Kanina cover lang siya, ngayon sliding glass enclosure na po siya. You have your shower, you have your sink, and also you have your bidet. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this house in the actual, you can schedule a site visit or you can schedule an online presentation with us. Our contact information is posted on the screen. If you'd like to see the other properties that we're selling, we have our Facebook, we also have our Instagram, and we also have our website. It's also posted on the screen. Now, if you're still looking around and you would like to get updated with the latest properties that we are handling or the latest listings that we will be pushing out in the market, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description box or in the comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!